Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Motorola Edge 70 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the section passwords, passkeys and accounts. Here we've got the account section, and this is the account I've got already added. So let me start this tutorial with removing the account. So simply tap on the account and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again and it will immediately disappear. And now if you wish to add the account, in the same section you have to tap on add account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and then tap on next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, we can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.